to see you again and thank you for watching the Cooking with an Italian. Today again something chili. We're going to make chili paste with, I'm gonna make this with rosemary flavor. I want to show you my chili. Already I wash it. I'm gonna use kilo 200 gram of chili. I'm gonna use 180 grams of sea salt, fine, some rosemary. Later I'm gonna show you how we're gonna give it that flavor, and 350 ml of olive oil extra virgin. Okay, guys, it's a little bit long process what we're gonna do, but the first step, okay, wash them and leave them to dry properly, and the next one you have to take all this green off like this. Take your time. If sometimes don't come in, just do like this. If you find some chili they are a little bit not good, just don't put in. Okay guys, this is the first step. When I'm finished all this chili, I show you the next step. Okay guys, all the green is gone. Now take the blender and start cutting the chili just like this. I don't know if you have a big one you can put all, but we have to blend them and make very fine paste. Well, I like fine, depend how do you like, but I'm gonna show you my way. Always guys, when you do this job, put the gloves on your hands, or if you do like me, don't touch your eyes, your lips, anywhere, okay? Because it's spicy. I know this because I'm forgot about that, and I'm in pain later. Anyway, if you like this video guys, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. If you have any question, I'm always ready to help. Anyway, now I'm blended and I show you later because I don't want annoying you with all this process, but I show you when I finish this how I like it. Okay guys, first bun is done. I like wow, the smell guys is wow. I like this, you see, very fine. Okay, but if you like a little bit bigger, leave bigger. If you like more fine, you can blend it more. Okay, and put in the bowl like this. You wanna do all the chili now in this way, and I show you the next step when all the chili is done. I want to show you again, maybe here you can see better how fine he is. You see? Okay, I show you when all the chili is done. Okay guys, all the chili is done. Now mix well. I just want to remind you, this chili is salty one. It's very nice guys. It's salty, it's super nice. Okay, when you blend it, you start with the salt. You start to put the salt inside everything. Okay, and it's 180 grams, and mix everything. Mix very well. Take your time, they're gonna absorb everything. And we start add the olive oil. I told you, you need around 350 ml, even 400, depend how do you want this, because this chili, like in this way with the salt and stuff, absorb a lot oil, and but the flavor is very Mediterranean. It's very nice. When you start this, now we start add the oil. This oil with this 350, 400 ml, we're gonna add from in 2 days, because this one we're gonna leave a little bit overnight and tomorrow to have a little fermentation. Okay, basically today, in the day when you do this, every 2-3 hours, go in there and stir it and add some oil, you know, always. And this is the job you have to do for 1-2 days, and after that we're gonna put in the jar. Okay, I add a little bit more oil and I'm gonna leave to start the fermentation. Oh, look at that. mix again, start become, you know, like that. Okay guys, the first step, well basically we did, but now you take your chili and leave somewhere with a cloth on the top like this, and every 3, 2, 3, 4 hours, when you can, go there, stir it, add some oil until wow, we're gonna be this job, we're gonna be around 24 hours, okay? And see you next step. Guys, I'm sorry, I just forgot to say, when before you put the cloves on the top of the bowl, put some rosemary inside, just like that, and mix in, and start take this flavor, okay? See you tomorrow when we're gonna put in the jar. Okay guys, 24 hours, I add my 350, maybe I add 380 ml of olive oil. Look at this, it's just paste, beautiful. Basically now the job, guys, is done. The fermentation is over, and now get ready with some jars. They already sterilized. We're gonna take our time. We're gonna fill up this jar. Take your time, put like that. Or if you have some different method, you can do. But basically, take your time. When you do it, stop in this level, you know, because we gonna cover with olive oil. Just I want to show you. We're gonna put one rosemary inside like this. You see? It is later when we storage gonna be there at least, guys, at least 2-3 months to take that flavor. And always you have to check if the olive oil gonna cover all the way, because if not, it start mold. Okay. Now, when I'm finished all my jars, I'm gonna show you what the rest we're gonna do. Okay? Okay guys, I have my 5 jar. Just squeeze little bit and add the rosemary, like this. And this in 2-3 months take that smell absolutely unique and beautiful. Don't forget, in this chili paste we make is salty, and the aftertaste is so good. It's important when you use this, don't forget always is salty. Now, after this, take your olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and what you have to do is this. Just fill up and take something like this and just make sure the oil going everywhere. Okay, and another recommendation, this one, when you fill up all the oil, you're gonna leave at least, guys, a couple of days like this. Open, leave on the side, because the oil, this chili in this way absorb a lot of oil, and we're gonna make sure they're gonna be covered. And later, when after these 2 days, just lid on and storage in the dark. Okay, now I just want to say this, my chili paste rosemary flavor is this, amazing guys, is absolutely albasha, another masterpiece is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!